How to hide your WhatsApp status from specific contacts. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide your WhatsApp status from specific contacts, perfect for keeping things private when needed. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded WhatsApp on a device. After that, click on search bar and open WhatsApp. If you are on Android, tap the three dots in the top right and go to settings, and if you are on iPhone, tap settings at the bottom right corner. Then tap privacy option here. Now click on the status option. You'll see three options: my contacts accept, and only share with. To hide your status from specific people, tap on my contacts accept. Now select the contacts you don't want to see your status, then tap the check mark or done, and that's it. This is how you hide your WhatsApp status from specific contacts. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.